Hi guys, today we're going to install, review and test this LED headlight kit from JDM ASTAR. It's called 4S. I will leave you a link in the description in case if you want to check it out and get one of those yourself. So each kit gives you a pair of bulbs. Each bulb comes with 6 pieces of high power CSP LED chips. You can see there are 3 on each side of the bulb. These bulbs, they have heat sinks opposed to fans, which is great because there'll be no noise and no moving parts that will eventually break. So these guys are supposed to last up to 20,000 hours in 25 degrees Celsius. So let's say you are driving a couple of hours per day with your lights on. In this case it will take around 27 years for the bulbs to die. So this kit can be used for headlamps, fog lights, daytime running lights, and they are IP65 waterproof. These bulbs provide xenon white light, which is great on its own, but what's also cool about this kit is that they give you this thermal resistant film which acts as a filter, which is applied over the bulb. As light goes through the filter, it will change the color to the one that you will choose. So there are 5 options. First of all, the 3000 Kelvin, which will give you the gold look, 4300 Kelvin vibrant yellow color, while the actual color of the LEDs right now, the 6500 Kelvin, and also you have a choice of 8000 Kelvin, which is a light blue color, and 10,000 Kelvin, a crystal blue. So we will show you a bit later how to apply the film and what colors look like after the installation. But right now we will demonstrate how to install the bulbs in the car. Alright, so we'll be working on 2016 Scion TC. The light bulb size for this car is 9012, and it's actually very easy to replace or install them. So let's do this side first. So this is a bulb that we are replacing. So you have to just twist it counterclockwise first, twist it, and pull the bulb out. Just be careful not to touch the glass. So once it's out, you have to press here, press, and pull it out. So this is a bulb, the original one. Place it somewhere for now, and let's get our LED one in here. So I suggest first to connect it to the connector. You see this notch here, it's supposed to go there. Okay, so now the same procedure. So these guys, they have to align properly, so you may have to find the proper location first. So the idea is the same. Now you have to twist it clockwise. Okay, so this side is done. Let's go to the other side. So same idea here. First you find the bulb. In this car you can detach the washer fluid container. Gives you a little bit more space. So again, turn it counterclockwise and pull out the bulb. Same thing, disconnect it. And let's get the new one. The notch is right here. Maybe a little bit tricky because there is not that much space in here, but it's fairly easy anyway. Can turn it turn it clockwise, and that's it. The bulb is in place. Okay, so let's see how it looks right now. Okay, so everything is working, but I guess right now it's hard to tell. We'll wait till it's dark to demonstrate how exactly it looks. Strongly to suggest that you should wear gloves, because any oil that's on your fingers will quickly make its way onto the glass. So I haven't done it yet myself, so we'll have to see how this works out. So as I have said earlier, there are 4 different colors here. The blue one, one yellow, second yellow, and another blue one. Okay. This is a light blue. This is, I believe, crystal blue. And these two actually look pretty similar. We'll have to see. Well, yeah, you can see this is more gold. So we'll first try the gold one. It does leave a little bit of a gap right here, so I guess when you apply it you have to keep it in mind, and I guess just put it right where the black metal part is. So to take it off you have to find the corner and just simply pull it off. It doesn't leave any residue, which is good, but you could still use some alcohol to clean the lens afterwards, but I don't see any problem so far. So now I'll show you how the colors look at night. What's gonna happen is right passenger side will stay as xenon white, the actual color of LED, and the left light will keep on changing, so you could compare. So let's try it. So right now we have the 3000 Kelvin, which is the gold one. On the left side, well, you'll obviously see it yourself. So let's do it. High beam, low beam. Okay, let's see from the outside. Very yellow. (4300 Kelvin) vibrant yellow color is ready. Let's see how it looks. (8000 Kelvin) light blue color. Probably slightly different than the xenon white. The last color, 10,000 Kelvin crystal blue. And now I will compare the stock halogen light, which is going to be on the left, with the LED one on the right. Well, obviously the LED looks way better. After having seen all the color options that come with the kit, I personally prefer the 6500 Kelvin, the white one. I think it would work best for everyday use, but for somebody who is looking to customize their vehicle, there are definitely options there. Again, this was a 4S kit from JDM ASTAR, the link is in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.